Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of adding a new manufacturer and or model into Bravo's product estimator. You just might come across an item that's so new or so exclusive that no other store has ever taken it in before. And before a transaction can be processed, the item needs to be added into the estimator into Bravo. Alternatively, you can bypass the estimator to categorize and describe the item yourself. In this example, we have attempted to estimate a PlayStation 4 for an unknown model. So first we're going to select Product Estimator, and then the Manufacturer Model Search tab at the top of your screen here. You are going to enter the manufacturer, in this example, Sony. It already exists. And now you're going to enter the model and select it. Notice the Add New button. And then you're going to select the Add Item New Model button here. So let's go ahead and click that. And a new Add Model window appears. The manufacturer name is populated from the previous window, and if the brand logo is known in Bravo, it will auto-populate here. If not, quick link buttons appear here to add a brand logo from the web. And now you're going to enter the category into the search or select from the options listed here. The model name is already populated from the search that we did earlier. Before completing this next section, select Beta to do a quick web search of the item. Next, you're going to proceed to do online research using the quick links under the price guide report, research buttons for Google, Buy It, and eBay. And you're going to complete year made, list price, and today's best price. Next, you will locate a UPC and manufacturer number by selecting the magnifying glass. If it's unknown, go ahead and leave them blank. And then use the quick links under the image research buttons to find stock images. Then right-click on your mouse within the black square and paste in the photo. Add the product description if available here, and any technical data here. Once all of the information has been added, select Save, and Bravo now takes us to the product estimator where we can complete the transaction as normal. If you have any additional questions about adding in a new make or model into Bravo, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.